Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Expect the best. Believe something good is going to happen, and it usually will. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 79, Nasdaq up 5, S&P's flat. Gold contract up $14.60 at 11.55. Gold, folks, wide price spread, accelerated volume, second day in a row. Gold wants to run to this 11.92 area. Silver up 13 cents, $14.87. Silver had made a hard time getting over the 14.68. Had been building costs for quite a while. Got over it yesterday. Followed through today. Silver wants about the $16 area. Platinum up $27 at 9.06. You got the copper market off the lows. We're at 2.11, up 2.5 cents today. Oil down 54 cents, 34.74. Oil market, folks, goes like this. Yesterday, well, first off, the low is January 20th. The high of that low, 29.75. Yesterday, bottom line, it goes down to test 29.40. Prior to the market opening, 0600, rejects that level. 10:30 in the morning, API numbers come out. What does it do? Shoots down, only gets to 29.74, rejects that low, goes topside. We pull back with lighter volume today. Oil wants $33, $34. Oil wants higher price. 10-year notes up 10 ticks, 130.10. 30-year bond up 21 ticks, 163.01. Bottom line, they keep going higher. King dollar down 770 ticks, 96.52. King dollar got taken apart. Lock, stock, and barrel, folks. Wide price spread, accelerated volume yesterday. Same today. You're at the 96.52 area. King dollar's making its way down to the 94 to 93 area. And if King dollar breaks that area, now first off, I don't expect that you're going to go straight to that area and just break it. First, we'll get down to about 94. It's another 2.5 pennies down, $2.50 down. You get down to that area, we'll see whether we build any cause in order to break that through. If King dollar ends up breaking that through, you're going to see these commodities go to the moon. Euro up 103 at 112. The yen is trading at 116.79. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So the SPY, folks, had got to a price point of 194.58 last week. Have some juice there. Back down yesterday. Rejected lower price. You get a sideways movement out here today. The SPY, I expect, is going to be running up to the 199.83 level. That's more than likely the B to C of a very large ABC structure on the way down. What I expect we're doing right now is actually we're doing an ABC up inside a larger ABC down. It's pretty wild, no doubt about that. But those very large trends we have going on and a small trend inside the large trend. The three Qs actually gave out more information today, and this is why. The high of the low of the three Qs is 101.83. What we had done in the volume there is 86 million. What we had done yesterday is that we came down with 61 million. Now, we didn't reject the high because you got to remember the high is at 101.83. Bottom line, we closed yesterday at 101.66. What do we do today? We press into the lows of yesterday. We do that with 48 million. So now your correlation is like this: 48 million versus 61 from yesterday versus the 86. Exact same number, 101.66. You can't bust it down, folks. It came back too quick, meaning the energy is expended on the downside. The Qs, what do the Qs want? Looks like the Qs want to get up into the 109.83. And by hook or crook, I'm not sure how it can get up that high, but bottom line, that's where I think it's going to go. And that also would be a very large B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? You get action with gold. The GLD took out its B point, took it out with volume, and ABC structures are all over the place inside the gold market. Gold right now is trading out at 1156.20. Gold's on its way up to this 1191, which is the swing high that was created in October. The XA, let's go to the HUI. The HUI, the Gold Bugs Index, blew away its swing high up here. The swing high that we're dealing with is 139.55. You're at 139.76. You're up 17 bucks in, all of 2 weeks. The HUI went up 40%. Big number. No two ways about that. The XAU, the Philadelphia Gold and Silver Exchange, that baby is at 52. That's going to make its way up to the 58. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar, folks, getting toasted, roasted, all of the above. Get out the peanut butter, jelly, marshmallow, whatever you like to put on it. It ripped apart its lowest swing point yesterday. That was 97.30. Has the volume behind the move. Yeah, yesterday we came down, and you talk about the door never being big enough to get out. Yesterday was 60,000 contracts. Today was 48,000 contracts. I suspect the next move down here gets you about to the 94 level. Now, if I put the continuous contract up and look at the continuous contract, what you're going to see is this. We've been in a high-end consolidation, and that high-end consolidation, we've been in it for about, it started January of 2015. The lower part of this high-end consolidation is the 94 level. You break 94, and, we should get some support at about the 87. Just 94 to 87, folks, will take those commodity markets and put real juice underneath them. You break the 87, then you're dealing with an 84. My take on the commodities right now is that they want higher price, and they want higher price big time. My take on the dollar is that the dollar is going south. That'll help other fiat currencies. They'll, get a little bit stronger against the dollar. What seems to be happening is that all fiat currency is going down. Assets are going up. That's how it seems to be shaken out. When you hear how many, first, picture this for a second. A couple of years ago, you had the Russians coming in, buying a lot of assets. All the press was like, oh, they're spending all their money. They're spending way too much money. Well, guess what? All the money they spent was one of the best buys they ever had because the ruble got destroyed. Guess what? They own they own a lot of huge buildings in New York, huge buildings in Miami. They own the New York Nets, okay? Great move, smart move. Chinese, buying. Guess what? They're saying they overpaid. Guess what? Didn't overpay. Their yuan tanks. Guess what? They have the asset. That's what's happening worldwide, folks. That's what's going on. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there. We're going to be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed up 79. NASDAQ up 5. S&P's down 3. We're going to be right back.